Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to the channel if you're new. In this video we'll talk about Bitcoin, of course, like every morning, and unfortunately it is not looking too great, alright? And yesterday we already talked about the possibility of this happening. I personally thought, and that's also why I'm telling you that it's not looking great, and it's also like I don't think you need to be too worried, but on the short term it's just not great, alright? Because the thing is that I expected us, I thought it was a possibility we would drop down lower. I mean, we got some strong technical confirmations right here. But what I did think is that, well, 65,000 is such a strong level with the 382 FIB, with the 200 EMA, just in general, historically, it's a strong key level. I thought that level will at least provide us some support. And the fact that we did not gain any support from that, excuse me, well, and we had to drop down a bit lower and break down below that level, not only on the 4-hour time frame, but also on the daily time frame, which I don't like. This is not a good daily time frame candle close. That's bearish, all right? And yesterday ahead of the FOMC, ahead of the interest rate decision, I already told you, and most of us already knew, that trading would probably be difficult, right? But the thing is that we tried to break above 67,000, failed to do so. In general, you can see we actually respected the bearish breakout here by respecting 66,800. So that's in confirmation with the technical confirmations we're getting now over the last, 16 hours or so. Technically means we are quite bearish here. Well, I mean, short term it's bearish. If you zoom out, it's more of a consolidation, all right? And on the 12-hour time frame, you can also see this is the first time that the EMAs on the 12-hour time frame are relatively flat. So what we need to see right now is, can we get some sort of a bullish reclaim quickly? Because if we don't get that bullish reclaim quickly, and the main level to break back above is 65,000, then this consolidation can turn into a downtrend. So yeah, that's the big question. I would say the most important level right now is around 63,000, because we need to hold that level to actually form a consolidation instead of a downtrend. So over the course of today and tomorrow, we'll see whether we can actually get that reclaim above 65,000 or not. And I find it a little bit difficult to predict that, all right? If you look at the markets as a whole right now, if you look at the altcoin market, it's not looking great, but that's relatively stable. I would say for now, if you still think of all the fundamentals for Bitcoin, it's good to be bullish on the longer term, as in the next couple of months, but it's not out of question that we see one more spike down into range lows, all right? Because in the end, we've just been ranging with Bitcoin into range lows, so under 60,000 or around 60,000, before stabilizing and rallying back up, all right? And going for those new all-time highs. Which I do still expect in the next couple of months. So I would say today we're very much kind of in that phase where we just have to kind of wait and see, which I hate to say, because people like the viewers, you and I or you, usually don't like me telling you that, you know, a lot of things are possible here. I would say that it's most likely that we'll be able to hold this consolidation and that we do get that breakout above 65,000. The fundamentals are good enough, all right? And even like a lot of this bearish pressure we had was also due to unrest and tension in the Middle East. So that will also be a factor that will determine the following price action. But that means that without that, we would have probably just been up there. Right, so that in combination with that, a lot of shorts have been opened in the last 24 hours. I think we're good to at least see some sort of a pump into this range again, so that we will be able to hold this consolidation. For now, whether we will be able to hold this consolidation up here instead of dropping down under 60,000 again in the month of August, I'm not sure about. All right, so that I'll keep you updated on. Short term, I would say this is most likely, but that doesn't mean buy, all right? If we get some sort of a strong breakout above 65,000, then you can consider buying. For now, like I said, I would really play the waiting game and stick to some altcoins that are uncorrelated. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.